In this tutorial, we will solve these exercises in AutoCAD Mechanical 2020. In the previous tutorial, we have learned some basics of AutoCAD Mechanical. Now, these exercises are based on that tutorial. If you have not seen that tutorial, it is recommended that you watch that tutorial before solving these exercises. Link to that tutorial is given in the description and it will also show in the upper right corner of your video. To receive notification of new video every alternate Monday and Wednesday, please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. Let's start with this first exercise. Now this exercise is in millimeter, therefore click here on this arrow, then scroll it down and select AM ISO. Click on it. Then in this exercise, at first we will create this square of 90 by 90 with fillet of 14. Click on rectangle corner, click on fillet, click here, click on setup, change fillet size to 14 and ensure that there is tick before trim geometry. Click on OK. Then specify first corner point, take your cursor away and specify width of 90, press tab and height of 90. Press enter. Then press middle mouse button twice for zoom extend, then zoom minus. Then next is to create these two circles of 8 dia and 16 dia, and it is located at 14 distance from both the lines, and we want these circles at every corner. Click on this arrow near center line, click on center line cross on plate. Specify offset of center cross from contour, so it is 14, press enter. Then select object, click on this shape, then press enter. Side to insert, so we want to insert it inside, so click inside and specify diameter of holes. So we have two holes of 8 diameter and 16 diameter, so type here 8. Then to specify one more diameter, you will have to use pipe symbol. So type here pipe symbol. So here is the pipe symbol, this vertical line. So in some keyboards it is above enter, and in some of the keyboards it is there in between backspace and this plus symbol. So specify here 8, then pipe symbol, then 16 and press enter. So here these circles are created. Then next is to create these circles at the center of this square, and diameter is 14 and 36. Again click here on this arrow near center line and click here on center line cross with hole. Then to locate center of this square, take your cursor to this arrow near object snap and click on geometric center. Click outside. Now here it is showing the center of that square. Click there, then specify diameter of 14, then pipe symbol and 36. Press enter, press escape. So this drawing is ready. Then to place dimensions. So at first we will place these dimensions. For dimensions, click here on power dimension. Then click here on this endpoint, zoom there. Then this endpoint, take your cursor on this side. Once this dimension converts to red, click there and click outside. Click here on this endpoint and this endpoint. Take your cursor below, click. Then click on this endpoint and this endpoint. Take it below and click. Then click on this endpoint and this endpoint. Take it below. Now here it is not showing red position. To indicate red position, take your cursor to this existing dimension and take it below and click. And for showing the endpoint, your object snap should be on and there should be tick before endpoint. So the object snaps with ticks are shown automatically. Then next is click on this endpoint and this endpoint, take it outside, click. Then again click on this endpoint, take it outside. Hold for some time on this existing dimension, then take it ahead and click. Press escape. Then to specify diameters, for that click here on this arrow near power dimension and click on diameter. Then select this circle, take your cursor outside and click. Click outside, again click on this circle, then click. Same way here, click, click, again click and click. And same way here we will have to specify radius. Press escape, click here and click on radius. Select this arc, take it outside and click. Press escape. So all the dimensions has been placed properly. So this drawing is ready. Then you can save this drawing. For that click here on save. Then give desired name to it. Suppose I will name it as AutoCAD Mechanical EX1. Then click on save. And to close this drawing, click here on this X. So that drawing will be closed. Then to start new drawing, click here on start drawing. Then it will automatically take previous drawing template. So there is no need to choose template again. Then next is to create this drawing. Now here this drawing has circles of 20, 25, 30 and 40 sides. Click here on this arrow. Click on Centerline cross with hole. Specify center point. Click. Then specify diameters. So 20, then pipe, 25, pipe symbol, 30, 40, then 66 and 70. Again pipe symbol, 66 and 70. Press enter, then press escape, press middle mouse button twice for zoom extent. Then these two circles are hidden. Then to make these two circles hidden, click here on hide situation. Then at first you will have to select foreground objects. So these two circles are in between these two outside circles. So we will define these two outside circle as foreground objects. Click on this circle and this circle, press enter. So here these two circles are converted into hidden automatically. Then click on OK. Then next is to apply dimensions. For that click here on this arrow, click on diameter. Then select this internal circle, take your cursor outside and click. Click outside, repeat the same procedure, click, click, again click, click, Same way here also, and for these two circles also. Click, 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 and click. Then press escape. So here this drawing is also ready. Then you can start new drawing by clicking here also. Click on new drawing. Then next is this drawing. Now in this drawing we will create this rectangle of 100 by 30 size. So this total is 100. Click on rectangle, corner, specify first point, take your cursor away, specify length of 100, press tab and specify width of 30. Press enter, then double click middle mouse button. Then next is to create this tab of M14 size, and location is 30 from this line and 15 from this line. Again click on this arrow, click on center line cross in corner. Then select first contour line. So I will specify this line as a first contour line and this as a second contour line. Then specify offset of center cross from first contour line. So that will be 30 because we selected this vertical line as a first contour line. So that gap is 30. Enter. Then offset from second contour line is 15. Enter. Then we want tapped hole. For that, click here on this standard part. Then click on tapped holes. Click on through. Then click on metric regular thread. And we need it M14. So click here on M14. Finish. So here this tap hole is created. Then we will need one more from this side. So select this line, then again 30, offset of center cross from first contour line and 15 from second contour line. Press enter and you can directly press enter because we want same type of hole and of same size, or you can also click on standard part. So it will again create same hole. Then press escape. So this object is also ready. Then to apply dimensions, for that click here on this arrow, click on power dimension. Then click on this endpoint, take your cursor below and click. Click outside, click on chain and click on this endpoint and this endpoint. Then press escape. You can also repeat last command by pressing enter. Then click on this endpoint, take your cursor on this side and click. Click outside, then press escape. Then to give dimensions of tab, for that click here on this arrow, click on diameter and click on outside circle. Don't click on inside circle, otherwise it will give drill size, but we want here tab size. So click on this green circle, take your cursor on this side and click. Then we want to write here note, so directly type there, press spacebar, then type here tab holes, and at the start we want to write two numbers, then comma, spacebar. Click outside, press escape. Then to adjust its position, click on it, click on this grip, take your cursor here and click. Press escape, zoom extend. So here this drawing is also ready. Then again click on this plus sign for new drawing. Then next is this drawing. Now in this drawing, at first we will create this rectangle of 150 by 100 size. Click on rectangle, corner, corner, specify first point, take your cursor away, specify width of 150, then press tab and width of 100. Press enter, then double click middle mouse button. Then next we will create these 4 numbers M10 tapped holes, and location of those holes is 15 from this horizontal and vertical line. So click here on this arrow, click on center cross on plate, specify offset of center cross from contour as 15, enter. Then select this rectangle, press enter. Then side to insert will be inside here, click. Then specify diameter of holes. Click on standard part, click on tapped holes, click on through, click on metric regular thread, then select M10, click on finish. Then next is to create this circle of 25 diameter at the location of 50 from this vertical line and 25 from this horizontal line. Click on this arrow, click on centerline cross in corner, then select this line, then specify first offset of 50, press enter, second offset of 25, enter, and diameter of hole as 25, enter. Then press enter to stop this command. Then you can repeat this command by pressing enter. Then next is to create this 20 diameter circle, and location is 50 from both lines. So select this line, then offset distance is 50, enter, again 50, enter, diameter is 20, enter. Then again enter to repeat. Then this hole of dia 15 at 40 and 60 distance. Click on this vertical line, this horizontal line. Gap from vertical line is 60, enter, from horizontal line is 40, enter. And circle diameter is 15, enter. Press escape. Then next is to apply dimensions. For that, click here on this arrow, click on power dimension, click on this endpoint, take your cursor below and click. Click outside, zoom there. Again click on this endpoint, take your cursor here and click. Then click on this endpoint, take it below. Now here it is not converting to red. To convert this dimension to red, take your cursor to this existing dimension and take it below and click. Then location of this circle, click on this endpoint, take it below, click. Click on this endpoint, take it on this side and click. Then click on this endpoint, again take your cursor on this existing dimension, then take your cursor on this side and click. Then click on this endpoint, click. Click on this endpoint, take your cursor on this side and click. Then click on this endpoint, take it below and click. Then this endpoint, take it on this side and click. Then press escape. Then to place node for this tap hole, click here, click on diameter, click on this green circle, take your cursor on this side and click. Then press spacebar and write there tapped holes. Then click before M10 and write there 4 numbers and comma and spacebar. Click outside, press escape, then to adjust position, click on dimension, click on this grip, take your cursor here and click, press escape. Then to give diameter of these circles, click here on diameter, click on the circle and click outside, again click on the circle, click on the circle, click, press escape. This drawing is also ready. So all the drawings has been created. Then in the next tutorial we will learn next set of commands, and after that we will solve some exercises based on that lecture. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Please like and share this video. So thanks for watching. We will meet again in the next tutorial.